Welcome back to the show, friends. Do you know what I like about doing the show? It's the pieces of information you strike when you least expect it. Like this week, a lifestyle magazine celebrated its second year anniversary. Now, the name of the magazine is not just catchy, but informative. So, for your general knowledge, Chennai is located at the latitude-longitude of 1305. And it's thanks to the magazine Inbox 1305 that gives you this bit of information. So, let's catch up with the team who were busy celebrating. A glitzy glam evening. The Rain Tree on Anna Salai saw the who's who of Tinseltown in attendance for the second anniversary celebrations of Inbox 1305, Chennai's lifestyle magazine. The chief guest, director Gautam Menon and musical exponent Aruna Sairam unveiled the anniversary issue soon after. Brownie points for guessing the face on the cover page. None other than current heartthrob Surya. What followed was eco-friendly entertainment. From ramp shows to contests, all events revolved around the green theme. A sensational fashion show showcased designer Rihani's collection based on the theme My Planet and I. Walking for a cause, showstoppers like Deepika Palikal, RJ Shiva and actor Arya set the ramp on fire along with dazzling beauties from Bangalore and Chennai.
Actually, I was very nervous because this is my first fashion show, but I was very happy because I was walking for a cause and I was representing Earth. And first when they told me that you're Earth and you're walking in the fashion show, I thought it was a school fashion show. School, you know what? Some kids. But I was very happy because Inbox 1305, they always try to do something different and they always do something useful.
The event was fabulous. In fact, I didn't expect anything. I just came for Kritika and Uday, and I think they've done a great job. It was very entertaining. It was not just... we really enjoyed ourselves. The fashion shows, the computers did a really good job, so it was fun.
Highlighting the Go Green idea, the Inbox 1305's anniversary was a novel celebration indeed. A modest start by a team of 4 has today catapulted into a social inbox.
We wanted to go south and then we wanted to go India and then maybe international.
We are already halfway through. We already have our online subscription called www.inbox1305.com. So we have subscribers from worldwide. We have increased our circulation. We have gone pan-India. So slowly we are going places, yeah.
From the many magazines we buy, do you know one spends a total of 50 minutes in reading? But before that happens, one picks it up 5.4 times before it is finished. Food for thought, right? Well, from reading to singing. July 31st marked the 30th death anniversary of playback singer Mohammad Rafi. Of the 60s and 70s comes to life with the magical voice that was. The melodious tones flow out like molten gold. The romantic voice creates love in the air. Nazar nahi churana sanam, badal ke meri tum zindagani. The voice that gave us goosebumps and put many a person into a reverie then has not lost its effect 30 years since his passing. Mohammad Rafi, the name synonymous with songs like Chura Liya Hai Dil, Parda Hai Parda, is the man we pay tribute to for giving to the world of music melodies that have become brighter and richer through the years. The fire in his musical career is kept burning bright with ardent fans like the Rafi Chennai chapter.
अपने तो हर एक तूफान है, अपने तो हर एक तूफान है.
Well, a few of us had gathered and we were wondering what to do for July 31st, which was Rafi's 30th death anniversary. We were all die-hard Rafi fans, so we thought we would hold a small mehfil and just pay tribute to that great legendary singer. And so we have gathered here today, just a few of us. It's a small beginning. Maybe next year we'll do something much bigger. It's just a small mehfil this time.
Keeping the fire in Rafi Saab's melody alive, this evening was a trip down memory lane for the young and old alike. From अपनी तो हर आ एक तूफान है, तो कैसे कटेगी जिंदगी तेरी बगैर. The guests swayed to the melody of the songs, probably reliving those golden years of being young and carefree.
I am a lover of melody, and I feel sad that today rhythm is the top priority. And I want, when such programs take place, I know that melody will continue to live. So I encourage such singers because with this generation, melody should not come to an end.
पुकारता चला हूँ मैं गली गली बाहर की, बस एक छाँव जुल्फ की, बस एक निगाह प्यार की.
I think the old music has more melody, and we remember it after so long. Not only the songs, the interludes and everything. Whereas the present day, it is good. It's good for its beat. But melody is there in the older songs, I feel.
And a melody of songs is what this rendezvous had. Mohammed Rafi's magical voice and effervescent personality has lived on through the years. And it's thanks to such music that the romance of life still lingers on, even when we return to the real world. Truly a tribute to the golden voice that was. The beauty of Mohammed Rafi is his evergreen music. Many times we've hummed to those famous numbers in the rain, while driving, or just lazing around. Truly, a man who made your heart skip a beat. Now we'll take a quick break here, but don't skip the next segment because we have some exciting stories there. The recipe for a custom-made party.